Well, g'day, Andrew Daddo here, looking forward to your company at the Littlescribe Mini-Writing Festival. It starts on the 26th of July, and I just heard my old primary school, Mount Eliza Primary, will be joining us. You've also got New South Wales schools from Mullion all the way to Manly Village, which is just down the road, McGregor State in Brisbane. Then you're going north to the Essington International School, and that's in Darwin. Diamond Creek in Victoria, Scotch College, who we used to play football against. Go Demons. And then Sprent Primary, shout out in Tassie to Honeywood Primary School. And in Western Australia, Waggon District. And then Raynella in South Australia are having their own writing competition at the end of the Mini Writing Festival. So I can't wait to see what you're putting together. Can't wait to see your stories. In case you haven't heard about it, we would love your company at the Littlescribe Mini Writing Festival, which is absolutely massive. We'll see you then.